voltage sensors, ensuring safety and efficiency in automation. What exactly is a voltage sensor? Simply put, it's a device that detects and measures the electrical potential difference or voltage between 2 points in a circuit. Think of it like a digital ruler for electricity, telling us how much electrical pressure exists. Voltage sensors are incredibly versatile and find their way into a wide range of applications. In industrial settings, they're essential for monitoring power systems, ensuring equipment operates within safe voltage limits. Imagine a SCADA system in a factory relying on voltage sensors to track the power supply to various motors and machines. Any significant voltage drop could indicate a problem, allowing operators to intervene before it impacts production. But it's not just about heavy machinery. Voltage sensors are also crucial in everyday electronics. Your smartphone, for instance, uses them to monitor battery levels and ensure the charging process is running smoothly. Even electric vehicles rely on voltage sensors to manage the battery pack and optimize performance. So how do these sensors actually work? Well, there are different types, each with its own mechanism. Some use the piezoelectric effect, where certain materials generate an electrical charge when subjected to mechanical stress. Others rely on the Hall effect, which involves measuring the voltage difference across a conductor when a magnetic field is present. Regardless of the specific technology, the output of a voltage sensor is typically an analog or digital signal that represents the measured voltage. This signal can then be used by a PLC or other control system to make decisions, trigger alarms, or adjust operations accordingly. For example, in a process control system, a voltage sensor might be used to monitor the output of a power supply. If the voltage drops below a certain threshold, the PLC could automatically switch to a backup power source, ensuring continuous operation. Now, when selecting a voltage sensor, there are a few key factors to consider. The voltage range it can measure is crucial, as is its accuracy and response time. You'll also want to think about the sensor's physical size and mounting options, depending on your specific application. Whether it's in a large-scale industrial plant or a handheld device, understanding how voltage sensors work is essential for anyone working with electronics and automation.